arriving at One Real Talk with Master V, the one and the only, former president of Real Estate Brokers Association of the Philippines. Samahan niyo po ako, One Real Talkers.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Master V.
Good morning, Pres Roy. Hindi pa siya kumakatok, naaamoy ko na Real Talkers. Nakikita ko na, nararamdaman ko nandiyan siya. So once again, Pres Roy, welcome to One Real Talk with Master V. Tara, usap tayo about real estate. Let's go, Real Talkers. Ito po ay isang real talk sa nag-iisang presidente ng Real Estate Brokers Association of the Philippines. Tingnan nyo naman, ang gwapo. The one and the only immediate past president, Mr. Roy Mark Teodoro. He is a real estate broker, an environmental planner, a certified international property specialist. He is also a realtor. Palakpakan po tayo sa nag-iisang Pres Roy! Yay!
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me here.
Yes, thank you, Pres Roy. Long time no see.
Yes,
Yeah, I miss you.
Sobrang busy mo na eh.
Yeah, I miss Rebap na din. It's
Oo.
just that, syempre, marami tayong kailangang atupagin sa buhay.
Yes. So-
And I miss those times we were working together. I miss your leadership, by the way.
Yes, thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
Very much. Actually, I admire Pres Roy's leadership. But welcome to One Real Talk with Master V. Handa ka na ba sa mga tanungan na nag-iisang Master V ng real estate?
Yes, handa na.
Namiss ko tuloy yung rebab. Namiss ko mag-uus ng rebab. Anyway,
Oo.
so, ang bata mo pa eh. I believe 33 ka pa lang.
Yes.
Yeah, you hail from Naga City of Camarines Sur. And we are proud Bicolano.
Yes.
Right?
Mga Oragon.
Oragon, syempre.
Oo.
Dakula. Ako sure ako. Joke lang. Hindi. Bicolano po kami. Ako from Catanduanes, Pres Roy from Camsur. No? So, sabi nga natin, Pres, pareho tayo eh, sa batang edad na mulat sa pressure ng lipunan. Tama? And because of that, ano ba mga challenges na na-encounter mo bilang isang young national president sa gitna nating mga established professionals? Alam mo naman, tataas ang kilay niyan. Ha? Maging presidente, bata-bata pa. So take it away, Pres Roy.
Yes, actually being a young president, hindi siya ganun kadali, no? Maraming challenges and totoo 'yon. Marami din mga nagque-question kung bakit ako yung nasa tuktok and pero bata ako. And actually it was really a challenge nung sinimulan ko tong journey na to kasi nung time na nasa Naga City Income Search chapter pa lang ako, I was starting pa lang din and naging officer ako agad. Then nung naging officer ako,
Galing.
dumiretso naging vice president and naging president. Because yung target ko that time is for me to push to improve the industry talaga. No? Nasa dugo ko yung mag-serve sa publiko ng walang bayad. Oo.
Sana all.
Well, QP graduate.
Yeah!
Ganun yun.
Ay, abang ni Pres Roy.
Ganun
Yes,
yun.
actually, University of the Philippines graduate po si Pres Roy. So, Pres, buto tayo doon, himayin lang ng massive ng mabilis. Yung mga pangkukutya, panlalait, that's actually medyo masakit sa iyo yun eh. Kasi bakit hindi naman ba pwedeng bata ang maging leader? Go.
Yun. Well, pagiging bata actually is also an advantage. Hindi naman siya laging disadvantage or
Actually.
pwedeng kukutsain, 'di ba? Kaya kailangan mong i-prove yung sarili mo sa mga tao. Kailangan mong makuha yung respeto nila. Kailangan mo ring maipakita sa kanila na may kaya kang gawin at patunayan para sa kanila. And I was able to establish that when I was the president of the national. So yun yung naging push ko and drive ko.
Yes, Pres Roy, I will attest to that. Kasi dati po akong president din ng isang chapter and
Yes.
nakita ko kung paano ako i-assist. Even sa room namin, talagang nagpapa-assist pa po ako. So thank you very much,
You're
Pres Roy.
welcome.
We're actually leading by example. Hindi kita in-etchos because we are here in One Real Talk. Ayan. So I hope you will be part of a bigger organization, maybe outside real estate or maybe other organization because leaders like you are needed by these organizations.
Thank you.
Okay? Next, Pres. Ano ba ang buhay mo bilang isang past national president? You know, Pres, it's easier to handle a local chapter. Like me, mga away lang nila yung away bata eh. Tapos, tumaas pa nga sa national. Pero anyway, that's not the issue eh. This is all about you leading a big organization. At paano ang personal life mo? Yun eh. Go.
when I was the president ng national, talagang totoo, mahirap ng trabahunin yung mga personal work ko, especially yung business sa Bicol, and malayo ang Bicol in Manila.
Yeah.
And almost thrice a week, every week dapat nandito ako sa Manila for me to be able to handle the organization. Kasi I'm not only handling the organization na parang kokonting tao, I am handling 50
Sobrang
chapters
dami.
nationwide.
Thousands.
So, thousands of members. Pero nung naging presidente ako, kinailangan ko mag-hire ng secretary and I need to really put in schedule lahat ng mga trabaho ko. So that's why at least kahit papano nagawa ko pa rin yung trabaho sa Bicol. Pero totoo, significantly nabawasan yung
Exactly. May impact siya eh.
benta. Tama.
So yun, Pres, actually, I'd like to thank you kasi even if hindi ka na ang national president, as a matter of fact, immediate past president ka na kasi nakaraang taon, pinabigyan niyo po ang Master V.
Of course.
So thank you very much. One Real Talkers, pasalamatan po natin siya sa comment section.
Totoo, matagal na po ako nililigawan ni Master P.
Oo, ay ba isipin nila
Ay,
ibang
nililigawan
ligaw.
na pumunta dito para interviewin ako. Pero ngayon, syempre, since hindi na ako masyadong busy, hindi na ako presidente, I was able to come here, of course,
Thank
para
you.
namang, syempre,
Mapagbigyan.
mapagbigyan na.
Thank you very much,
Of
Press
course.
Roy. At hindi daw siya sobrang busy, pero flight niya na po mamaya. So, One Real Talkers, real talk ba tayo ng Press Roy? Anyway, Press, moving forward, nakita ko rin talaga kung paano ka nahirapan na yung sa personal life. Kasi 'di ba, hindi mo pwedeng puro trabaho lang.
Of course.
Ako nga ngayon hindi na ako masaya sa buhay eh. Charos na next question. Okay, I'm very proud of this question ha kasi actually di ko pa ito nakukuha eh, busy eh. Pero feeling ko hindi pa ako ready. Ano naman ngayon ang buhay bilang isang PRC accredited speaker?
Ayun.
Oh, yan. Sige nga, tell us, ano ba maging isang PRC accredited speaker? Hindi yan madali ah.
Hindi talaga siya madali. Pero, initially talaga, wala siya sa isip
Plano.
ko at plano ko na maging speaker. Pero since I was the president, nabigyan ako ng boost ng confidence to share my knowledge. And eventually, nag-apply ako to become a PRC accredited speaker. Okay, then gumawa na ako ng mga modules, ng mga
Nice.
lectures. And
Para ka na rin professor. Eh.
yes, pero wala akong methods of teaching eh. So talagang hindi pwedeng makapasok, no. Pero hopefully sana
Why
matulungan
not?
mo ako, 'di ba? Para
Oo,
maging
you're
professor,
welcome.
'di ba?
Magaling ka naman magsalita eh.
Yes, so ayun, ngayon pa online lang, no. Syempre may bayad din yan. So,
Yes.
yan yung income.
One Real Talkers, One Real Talk, magkano ba ang Press Roy as accredited speaker? Balita ko, 7 digits.
Uy, hindi naman.
Joke lang,
Hindi.
okay.
Ang maganda kasi dyan, per hour naman ang
Per
bayad.
hour.
Oo.
Okay. Sige po. So, I hope mas marami pa maging accredited speaker. Ma-inspire tayo kay Press Roy out of very busy schedule.
Yes.
Ay, nairaos niya ang pagiging accredited speaker. Next question, Press. Okay, nationally speaking, ang daming speculation. Some are saying we are reaching the bubble. We're almost in the bubble. In the metro, there's an oversupply of condo. There's a shortage of house and lot. There's a big housing gap. But let's concentrate. Okay, micro speaking, the status of real estate sa area ng Bicol. Can you tell us an update? What's the real score there?
Okay, so since Bicolano ako, saka doon ako
rin,
nakabase.
Bicolano rin ako, pero hindi ako doon nakabase.
Doon ako ngayon nakabase, so I can inform everybody na nandito na in Bicol, booming na rin ang real estate. We have a lot of condominiums right now, being constructed in Bicol ngayon.
The big players are there?
Yes, nandun na yung big players, nandun na si Philinvest, nandun
Okay.
na rin si Vista Estates, and most of our brokers are now focusing on project selling.
Wow.
So, kaya marami na rin kami mga salesperson ngayon na tinitrain doon sa Naga for them to be able to also help the developers to sell the properties in Bicol.
Okay, that's good news para sa ating mga Bicolano. At hanapin niyo po, mamaya ipa-plug naman ni Press Roy ang kanyang realty. Okay?
Yes.
So yan po, maganda po ang balita sa Bicol region. So, kung ano yung nangyayari sa atin dito sa Metro Manila, hindi katulad sa nangyayari doon.
Yes.
Okay, so that's good to know. Anyway, next, ano po ang update sa mga real estate salesperson accreditation, Press Roy?
Okay. So, I am one of the advocate kasi pagdating sa
Yan.
mga real estate salespersons, no? Because we all know that there are salesperson na sinasabi natin mga colorum na mga hindi talaga properly
Mga illegal, in short.
Mga illegal, okay. Pero ang advocacy natin kasi dyan is for us to help the salesperson to become accredited in PRC.
Okay.
So, ngayon po, ang mga salesperson kasi, may bagong update si PRC regarding the accreditation and monitoring ng mga salespersons. At ang pinakamagandang update regarding the salesperson's accreditation is coterminous na siya sa lisensya ng broker.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, so let's talk about coterminous. Kasi yung iba hindi naman nila naiintindihan yung coterminous, di ba?
Oo.
So, coterminous, please explain, Press Roy.
Okay, coterminous. Ibig sabihin, mag-e-expire ang accreditation ng salesperson pag nag-expire yung lisensya din po ni broker. So, ibig sabihin, sabay na pong magre-renew ang salesperson and broker. Kasi, for everyone no, na hindi pa alam, salesperson dati is yearly sila nagre-renew regardless
Exactly.
kung
Kailan na expiration ni broker.
Oo, yes, correct.
Very good, Press. Thank you for letting me
Yes.
know, Ngayon ko lang nalaman. So, isa po yan. Approve na yan. Nasa reso na yan.
Yes,
Naka-reso.
may board reso na yan. They're in transition as we speak, no? Siguro mga by June fully implemented na yan.
Ayun. So, maganda pong balita sa mga kolorom at mga illegal. Panahon na po para mag-legal. At
Okay.
every 3 years po, nag-expire ang lisensya ng mga broker. So, tingnan nyo naman po, coterminous, 3 years ka rin po magiging legal. A. Next question. Yung mga A, direct pakikat. Okay, next. Okay, very good. So, what technologies should a real estate practitioner use? Kasi, ito, personal experience, Press Roy, bumagsak ang benta ko 2023-24. Dahil po, nagtitipid ako, ayoko magbayad ng online, ng mga boosting na yan. Pero
Okay.
yun nga, sabi ko, okay, hindi kahit magaling ka magbenta or marunong ka magbenta, mabenta ka pa rin. So, ano ba nga dapat, at this age as we speak, should the real estate practitioner use?
Okay, pagdating sa technology, we all know that artificial intelligence is really there na.
Oh, AI.
Diba? Yes. And that is one of my lectures sa mga continuing professional
Nice.
developments. No? So, pagdating sa AI, it is very important na ang mga salespersons and brokers are now equipped with even just a mere ChatGPT. Marami na pong pwede magawa sa ChatGPT. Just by putting information about the property, you will be able to put in better content na online which will gain or gather more clients pagdating sa inquiries. Okay, so ChatGPT, ano pa bang pwedeng puntahan or kunin na gamitin ng mga salesperson natin? Meron tayong tinatawag na Zapier. Alam mo ba 'yon?
Oh, hindi ko rin alam. Another update na naman for Master V. So, what's that?
Okay, Zapier is an online tool.
How do you spell it?
Zapier.
Okay.
Okay, it is an online tool that you can connect every online application para automated na lahat. Okay?
Oh.
So meaning, for example, may nag-i-inquire sa Facebook mo.
Okay.
Without you even knowing, automatically makakapag-send yung system mo ng email doon sa client mo with all the information na kinakailangan niya through that chat.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, naka-attend ako ng free seminar na hindi na ako nagbayad. So, that's Zapier.
Yes,
and
Zapier.
AI. Okay, thank you so much. Pero mukhang magdadagdag pa si Press Roy. With AI, do we get same answers? For example, I research about the property, you research about the property. We'll be utilizing same system, which is AI. Baka pare-pareho na tayo ng ipopost.
No, AI is an artificial intelligence that gather information and summarize it customized to you. Ikaw lang yung makakakuha ng ganong klaseng pagkaka-arrange ng information. It may be the same, but the arrangement will not be the same.
Wow! Palapakan na natin si VP Roy! Ay,
Thank
Press
you.
Roy! Direct pakat yung Press VP. Grabe! Press, thank you. I'm enlightened. Thank you very much. Masaya ako ngayon kasi may natutunan ako. Yun ang Master V is happy every time I learn something new. So, eto po. Tapos na ang February Press. Ayoko maging katulad ka ng Master V na walang love life. Pero anyway, truth be told, why are you still single?
Single nga ba?
Oh.
Hindi,
Oy,
joke
si
na.
Gerard hindi nakakat lahat, ha? Kaya no filter minsan dito. Okay, why are you still single? You look good, financially stable, I believe so. You are very much accomplished. Actually, parang ako na din naman, pero ikaw yung guest ko eh. So, bakit ba single ka pa rin?
Well, hindi. Well, hindi naman ako single since birth, no?
NTSB.
Meron naman po akong mga naging past relationship. Pero sa ngayon kasi, nung naging presidente ako and I have a lot of business being handled in Bicol, no? Kasi hindi lang brokerage company hinahandle ko eh. Nag-handle pa rin ako manufacturing company ng fire extinguisher. So, iba-iba.
Alam, nalaman na ng BIR.
So, marami akong mga tinatrabaho. So,
Galing
medyo
impressed,
naging ano
right?
talaga ako. Naging focus muna sa business. Pero from time to time, I
Date.
do have some dates, no? Pero hindi ko talaga na ipupush to become really a relationship because hindi ako makapag-fix ng commitment ko.
Oh, so it's a commitment issue.
Oo, commitment issue sa ngayon. Oo.
So, instead of being partnered, wag na lang kasi ayaw mong makaano ng tao kasi
Yes.
nga commitment. So, sino kaya ang tatapat sa commitment mo?
Baka may mga ano dyan, no? Yung mga okay lang na medyo busy ang partner nila. Nandito po ako. Hello.
Ayan. Sige po, you may comment sa YouTube po kung ano po ang pangalan nyo and then cellphone number. Isa-isa yung po natawagan yan. Ha? So, Press Roy is single. Okay? Sige po. Oh, anyway, that's your love life. Pero, gusto ko pa sana magtanong ano ba ang importance ng self-love sa isang busy leader like you, a young, accomplished person?
Well, so since hindi ako makapag-commit, di commitment na lang sa sarili
Sarili.
ko.
Self-love.
So, self-love na lang.
So,
So,
what do
syempre,
you do?
kailangan hindi lang physically, so you need to be healthy, of course.
Wow.
Dapat kailangan rin emotionally,
Oh.
and of course, spiritually. So, yan yung mga kailangan talaga natin if you are trying to be someone who really takes good care of yourself. Yeah.
Grabe yun. So, spiritually, physically, and
And emotionally.
emotionally.
Yes.
So, para daw pumagi kayong presidente, kailangan emotionally, physically, spiritually.
Well, totoo yan ha. Pagiging
Totoo
presidente ko, syempre hindi pwedeng hindi ako umiyak during the presidency ko, di ba?
Pero hindi mo pinakita, for
hindi,
sure.
of course. Mahirap
Pero
po,
parang
mahirap.
nakita ko. Anyway, sige, dapat mali yung arrangement ng questions, pero okay, ano bang love language ng isang Press Roy? How do you express that you care, that a person matters to you?
Well, actually, touchy ako.
Oh!
Oo.
Teka lang, parang nararamdaman ko. Press, okay, so touchy, so haptics, and then?
Well, then, of course, acts of service talaga. Yun yung talagang gusto ko. And napapasagot ako sa mga talagang nagtsatsaga.
Oh.
Yan, oo.
So, kunyari, pangit na pangit siya, pero matyaga.
Walang problema doon.
Oh, okay. So, mga pangit at
Diba?
matyaga, you may comment sa YouTube channel. Sa episode po na ito, send it to 09. Okay, so matyaga at acts of services. Kailangan acts of service. Okay. Next, and I think this would be the last question. Sa lahat ng mga narating mo at sa sobrang tayo kung saan ka man ngayon, and I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, bilang isang Bicolano and bilang isang tao, I'm always proud of other people's success. That's why I'm successful too.
Yes.
Because I'm proud of other people's success. You cannot be successful if inggitero kayo.
Totoo.
Yeah, so ako,
Totoo yan.
okay, pumasa siya na exam, congratulations. Oh, si Cecil, si Press Roy, President, di ba? Let's all be happy for anyone's success because time will come, babalik din yan sa'yo. At ikaw naman maging successful. Gusto mo ba, pag successful ka na, ayaw nila. Okay, so, very successful ka, accomplished. I'm very proud of you. Sabi ko nga you're really an epitome of a successful person. Hindi ka naman ganyan dati At nakita mo kung sino ka noon. Walang-wala pa tayo noon. Hirap na hirap pa tayo noon. We were struggling back then.
Yep.
What do you wanna say to your old self?
Okay. Sige. Siguro, what I can say to my old self, no, yung mga panahon pa noon, just keep on doing what you love. Diretso mo lang kasi it will eventually come. And I know noong unang panahon, ang daming mong wini-wish and God gave it. So, just keep on wishing and God will be providing it to you. Ayan.
1075 wish. Thank you very much,
Yes.
Press Roy, and salamat sa pagsingit ng schedule. Master V is always here lang naman anytime you need.
Yes.
Not just about this. Okay?
Thank you.
So, One Real Talkers, it has been another episode of Professional One Real Talk with Master V. And at this juncture, again, I would like to thank our sponsors, Eco Solutions Cleaning Services, Eastwood Boutique by Jen, and the primary sponsor, JMV Realty PH. Marami pong salamat, One Real Talkers.